Okay, let's create another hat, princess crown hat. Okay, we need to inflate 2 balloons, fully inflated like this. And let's create another spiral balloon like this. Okay, so first thing, we need to create a base hat for your princess crown hat, just like that.
Welcome to the next level.
It should be like this. Okay, now create a loop like this and put this loop here. And now, after that, put this here around to your orange balloon and connect this end of this white balloon to the end of your pink spiral balloon, just like this. One more time from the other side here. Just create make a knot. Just create a knot here, tie them up just like that. Okay, now all you need to do is you need to arrange it just like that. And we created princess crown hat for the girls, just like that. Thank you so much.